Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best camera for landscape photography you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. If you're interested in landscape photography, you might be thinking which camera is the greatest on the market right now. It's difficult to choose a winner when there are so many excellent cameras available. We decided to put up a comprehensive guide that outlines the best cameras for landscape photography. It's crucial to remember that every tool on this list has been thoroughly evaluated by our staff, and we only provide suggestions based on our own personal experience. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Canon EOS R5. The Canon EOS 5 South African Rand is a flexible and competent full-frame mirrorless camera with the ability to capture 8K video and shoot 45 megapixel stills at up to 20 frames per second. The EOS R5 offers a good grip, good focusing controls, and 3 control dials for rapid setting changes. The viewfinder and screen are beautiful, and there's a high FPS mode that looks wonderful but drains the battery. The camera has a robust feel to it without being overly hefty, and it claims to be weatherproof. The AF system identifies both humans and animals and is exceptionally successful for all types of moving subjects, covering 100% of the frame. The camera starts and replies in a matter of seconds. The electronic shutter allows it to shoot extended bursts at up to 20 frames per second, 12 FPS using the mechanical shutter. The battery life is adequate, albeit the rapid viewfinder mode reduces it. JPEG photos have good color, good detail, and low noise. The in-body image stabilizer helps assure clean handheld photographs even at very slow shutter rates, and the raw dynamic range is excellent, albeit not class-leading. On number 2, Nikon D850. The Nikon D850 is a full-frame DSLR designed for professionals. A brand new 45.7MP sensor with backside illuminated technology is at its heart. This sensor produces great image quality across the ISO range, and it keeps the essential ISO 64 setting from the previous D810 for a wide dynamic range. The D850's grip has been revised to be both slimmer and deeper, making this full-size, weather-sealed camera a pleasure to carry. The D850 has a redesigned AF joystick on the back that lets you get the most out of the 153-point autofocus system that was carried over from the flagship D5, and it can shoot at 7 frames per second, 9 FPS with an optional battery and grip. The D810's mirror, shutter shock concerns have largely been resolved because to a new shutter mechanism. The D850's 153-point AF system gives it a lot of versatility, allowing you to shoot sports almost as well as a full-fledged professional sports camera. The one drawback is that the D850's subject tracking mode, 3D tracking, works great for single photos but stutters or hangs up when taking bursts. This can be remedied by switching to zone or single point focus. Nikon continues to excel at face recognition through the viewfinder, especially when using the auto area AF. The D850 produces excellent image quality. On number 1, Panasonic Lumix DC-S1R. The Panasonic S1R is a high-end mirrorless camera featuring a full-frame 47MP sensor that has been stabilized. It has the same body design as the Panasonic S1 but has an 187MP high-res mode for tripod-based shooting. The S1R seems more like a high-end DSLR than its mirrorless competitors, thanks to the abundance of direct controls. It's easy to grasp, and the majority of the controls are conveniently located. The entire body is weatherproof, including the dual-hinged back screen. For low-light tasks, illuminated controls are advantageous. The EVF has a good resolution, although the level of detail decreases as the camera focuses. Panasonic's depth from defocus autofocus technique is used on the S1R, and it enables extremely quick and accurate single AF speeds. Shooting with continuous AF, however, causes a distracting focus wobble in the viewfinder and reduces the burst speed to 6 FPS, albeit it still gives decent accuracy. Aside from that, the S1R is a wonderfully snappy camera, albeit its battery life, despite its large battery pack, is mediocre. So guys, this was the video about the best camera for landscape photography. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.